Love is one of the most profound experiences a human can have. It has the power to elevate us, to bring joy, meaning, and even purpose to our lives. But it can also lead to our greatest suffering. The Stoics warned us about unhealthy attachments, about losing ourselves in the pursuit of relationships that do not serve our higher purpose. Are you with the right person? Or are you blind to the red flags that indicate you're in the wrong relationship? Let's analyze 6 Stoic principles that will help you recognize whether your relationship aligns with virtue, or if it's time to walk away. Number 1, they disrupt your inner peace. Marcus Aurelius once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. Relationships should not feel like a battlefield. If your partner constantly creates drama, manipulates your emotions, or brings more stress than peace, then you are sacrificing your tranquility, something no Stoic would ever allow. Stoic insight. The ultimate goal of Stoicism is inner peace, not external validation. Love, when true, enhances our well-being, but love, when toxic, enslaves us to emotions beyond our control. Think about your interactions with your partner. Do they calm you during times of stress, or do they amplify your worries? Do you feel emotionally secure, or do you walk on eggshells? A relationship should be a source of stability, not turmoil. If your partner's presence feels more like a storm than a shelter, it's time to reevaluate. Seneca reminds us, "No man is free who is not master of himself." If your relationship robs you of self-mastery, you're already a prisoner. Number 2, they challenge your core values. Seneca once wrote, "If a man knows not which port he sails, no wind is favorable." Your values define you. They dictate how you approach life, work, discipline, and relationships. The wrong partner will make you question your values, or worse, force you to compromise them. Imagine this. You believe in self-discipline, ambition, and personal growth, but your partner encourages laziness, distractions, or negative habits. Over time, you might find yourself slipping, abandoning your principles to maintain peace in the relationship. Think about Marcus Aurelius. As Emperor of Rome, he had the weight of an empire on his shoulders. He could not afford to surround himself with people who undermined his duty. His philosophy taught him to seek companions who elevated his virtues, not ones who indulged his weaknesses. A relationship should complement your values, not challenge them. If your partner pulls you away from who you aspire to be, they are a distraction, not a companion. Have you started tolerating things that once went against your core beliefs? Do you feel proud of the person you are in this relationship? If not, it's time to recalibrate. Number 3, they seek to control you. Epictetus warned us, freedom is the only worthy goal in life. It is won by disregarding things that lie beyond our control. A loving partner should never seek to own or control you. If your relationship feels like a cage, where your choices, actions, and even thoughts must be approved by your partner, then you are in a toxic dynamic. Consider Cato the Younger, the great Stoic statesman of Rome. His wife, Marcia, was known for her independence of thought. Cato never sought to control her decisions or suppress her individuality. He admired and respected her as an equal. Contrast this with relationships built on possessiveness, insecurity, and manipulation. A partner who dictates your actions, isolates you from friends, or questions your every move is not a partner. They are a captor. Do you feel free to express your thoughts, or do you censor yourself? Does your partner support your independence, or do they try to limit your choices? A healthy love is built on respect, not restriction. Number 4, they lack emotional control. Marcus Aurelius reminds us how much more grievous are the consequences of anger than the causes of it. A Stoic masters their emotions. If your partner has frequent outbursts of anger, jealousy, or mood swings, they lack the emotional discipline that Stoic love requires. In relationships, self-control is key. A partner who cannot control their emotions will make you responsible for their instability. You will constantly have to fix their anger, calm their insecurities, or recover from their outbursts. Does your partner react calmly and rationally, or do they explode over small inconveniences? Do they blame their emotions on external factors instead of taking responsibility? The Stoic ideal is to be calm, composed, and collected, traits you should expect from your partner as well. Number 5, they do not support your growth. Seneca observed, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." A wrong partner sees your ambition as a threat, not an inspiration. Signs of a partner who stifles your growth. 1, they are jealous of your success. They discourage your personal development. 3, they try to hold you back out of insecurity. The Stoic philosopher Musonius Rufus taught that a true relationship is a partnership where both people strive for virtue and excellence. If your partner belittles your goals, mocks your aspirations, or resents your self-improvement, they are not the right person for you. A real partner encourages your ambition, celebrates your achievements, and inspires you to be better. Number 6, you stay out of fear, not love. Epictetus wisely said, "Don't explain your philosophy, embody it." Many people stay in bad relationships because they fear loneliness. But Stoicism teaches us that fear is a poor reason to stay. True happiness comes from within, not from clinging to something that makes you miserable. If you stay because you fear being alone, you have already abandoned your power. A Stoic walks away with dignity, knowing that their worth is not tied to another person. Relationships should enhance your life, not diminish it. If your partner disrupts your peace, challenges your values, or prevents your growth, then you are not in the right relationship. The Stoics remind us that love should be a partnership, not a prison. Let me know in the comments, which of these signs stood out the most to you? Have you ever ignored these red flags? Like, share, and subscribe for more Stoic wisdom. Stay connected with Stoic Stand.